This will just show how easy it is to go from the highest seating position to the lowest, most laid back seating position. Simple as that. Now you've seen how easy it is to adjust the seat height. I'll show it in closer detail and how you remove it. So you've got a quick release here. So all you have to do is lift that one up. There's one on this side. You lift that one up. Move around under here. There's another quick release there, and then they'll just pop out of there, and the front ones just pop off like that. Now the other thing Michael's designed this seat to do is if you're folding the trike next to your car or on the side of the road because you're ready to go home, you actually can stand it like that so it doesn't get any damage. So it'll actually sit like that. Right, so we're going to put the seat back on now. These are the height adjustments for the front of the seat, which fit onto each side there, and these are the ones for the backrest for changing your angle, and one has to go on that side and one has to go on this side. So they lock in like that. You can see on the quick release, we don't worry about doing that up yet. You come around here, you can just get that in place. Now it's important that you put them on the same height settings. So like that. Lock the quick release down there. Lock the quick release there. Make sure they're aiming down at the back wheel. And then you come back under the front here, and with this quick release you fold that forward, and that's the seat back on again. The quick release lock there, there's a warning sign to remind you, and there's warning signs on here to make sure these are locked up as well.